everyone, welcome to a new vlog. So we are in Mumbai and we are doing a Ramadan series over here. So this is day 2. If you haven't watched day 1, you can go and check that out. We're staying at Taj Mahal Palace and we're heading to Muhammad Ali Road for day 2 of the Ramadan series. So I'll see you over there. We've reached Muhammad Ali Road, as you can see from the crowd. So this is basically the starting point of the walking lane. There is Minara Masjid that side. So let's walk and try out some food here. As you can hear the call to prayer, the azan, so you can break the fast now. This was the dates that they were just giving out for free on the road. I think one of the shops was giving that out. So after we break our fast with this, then we'll go and try out the other food that is available in Muhammad Ali. So while we were finishing our date, another person came and gave us this fruit platter here. That is so kind of them. They're just distributing all these for free for anyone who's fasting here. So there are fruits and there is one fried item here, fried potato. It's really nice. So we'll finish this one and then we'll head to buy stuff now and try them out. Starting off with famous, we've got mutton samosas and chicken kebab. So this costed 100 rupees. We're trying to do a 1000 rupees challenge. So 100 rupees. So now 900 is left. So let me just try out. It's good, but it's not hot, so it doesn't taste that great. Help me try out the chicken kebab. That was just a fried layer. It's nice, not pretty great, but okay. Next we are trying out Malpua. We're inside the shop and this is how it looks like. We thought there would be a smaller portion, but we got the whole thing. I don't know if you have to tell it in a certain way. It's okay. So there's rabri. It's very hot. So trying it out now. It's really good. It's not very sweet. The rabri is also very light. It's not very sweet and it goes very well. The combo is very nice. And it's got a crispy exterior and soft interior. So it's really nice. So we'll have this. I don't know what the cost is, we didn't ask. So I'll update you on that and then let's see what we have next. So the Malpua was 200 rupees. So now we have spent, that was 100 and 200, 300 rupees, so 700. And now we have bought a kesar milk, which is 50 rupees. Let me taste. It's nice. The best thing what I found here is everything is very lightly sweet, so it's not too overwhelming. So yeah, we'll finish this and then probably look for something savory. We have come to Chinese and Grill and we have taken 3 items from them. One is a chicken skewer. It's nice and tasty. The second is this is a cutlet. It's very nice. Wish they would have warmed it up a little because it's cold already. But there's a big rush, so you can't really blame them. This looks like a Mughlai paratha and you can see that there's a keema filling, chicken keema filling. Just taste it. It's very oily. But it's really good. The layer is very thin, so it tastes very good. It's not thick. So yeah, overall it's nice. I wish they would have warmed those two up a little bit. Yeah.
What's
you can search me with Fofa Fifal. So the items in Chinese and Grill costed 200 rupees. So we are at 550 rupees. So now we've got mutton halim. This is half plate. So let me just try it out. This costed 140.
So we are at 690.
We are at 690. Quite different from the halim that we get usually in Kolkata or make at home. It's very, as you can see, there's no gravy as such. It's completely mashed, the mutton, and it's very soft. So it just melts in your mouth. It's good, it tastes good.
It is like harissa.
Yeah, it is. It reminded me of harissa. It is like harissa which you get predominantly in Kashmir. It's quite like that. So there's these fried coconut shavings as well, and some almonds as garnishings. It's nice. We have now got chicken seekh kebab, which is 160 rupees. Let me just do a taste test. It's really good. It's very soft inside, and there's a crispy layer outside. It's a bit spicy, but yeah, quite nice. And this costed us 160 rupees. So now what is the total? 850. 850 rupees. Now we are trying out some other sweet stuff. So this is Shahi Tukra. Again, this is lightly sweet. Shahi Tukra is usually very sweet, but this is not. This tastes really nice. And we've also, we're going to try out the Mawa Jalebi, which is very famous here. So I'll show that to you because we'll just finish it. It's like our hands are full. Here's the Mawa Jalebi that we've got with rabri. So this is the rabri ka matka. So let Shabir hold this so I can taste the Mawa Jalebi. It's good. This is sweet. Mawa Jalebi is sweet. But I guess it's supposed to be like this. That's why you have the rabri to cut down the sweetness. But it's good. It's crispy on the outside and inside is soft. So I don't know the cost yet. I'll let you know when I get to know it when I pay. So this one, the jalebi and the Shahi Tukra costed 180. So it's 1,030. So we've crossed it by 30 rupees. We'll also grab some juice. But then we're done after that. This is the last item we are trying. We're ending it with juice. So this is watermelon mojito. And as you can see, there's a lemon slice inside as well. Should be refreshing. It's nice. It's very fresh. They've used fresh ingredients. So it's really nice. There's soda as well. Because to make it mojito, so they've added soda. So yeah, so this was 140. So for two of them, so 70 each, and then our total comes to 1,170. So not too bad because we are completely full. That is the end of our food tour in Muhammad Ali Road. We aimed for 1,000. We crossed that by a tad bit, but it's not too bad. We're completely full. We won't be able to have anything now. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. You can follow me on Instagram, and see you again in the next vlog in some other place in Mumbai.